This is when you switch it to PTO. So that means the crane cannot be operated. Yeah, it says PTO engage. Righto, good morning, good morning. Let's operate another type of equipment night. There you go. It's a cold morning. It is. There you go. So this is a crane, 10 tonner crane, I think. So yeah, it's just a joystick. Everything is joystick here. So when I pull it back, look at that, and then I gonna winch out. So just this one, doing like that again. And so yeah, and then winch out. Easy, it's all just joystick. Then you have to put it down. Ouch. So on the other side, it will be locked down. So it will come. It's coming down now. Yeah. Before I see it fall down, I'm gonna grab the winch up. Yep, this is the full. What happened? Here we go. This is the radius. So everything is in the monitor also. The angle, the main load, how many load you have left. And everything is monitored here. So yeah, it's fucking awesome, mate. It's fucking awesome. So you must move it. Should be a little bit round. Go down. Roach. Let's move to the gear to the jack at the back. So the back is easy. Just push this down, push this up. It means, see that one? See the jack? Just push this up. And it's going up. Same on the other side. I'm gonna say, yeah. So you do it. So we're done. We're heading to go down, lock this up. Okay. Yeah, it's all good, right? It's all good.